For this video, we'll be going over the websites and expiration features within Hoodoo. So first, we're going to start off by going into our client and then selecting our websites. Now, to start off, we're going to add one. So we're going to add in our address and create. Now, this will take a moment to set up. So we're going to go into the same address. And here we can see everything populated. Now, this will automatically fill in once it has had a moment to gather all information. This doesn't require any additional plugins. This is all of the information that you get from simply putting in a website address. Now, one of the great things about this as well is it pulls your expirations onto your right side here. So we have both on this right side margin. Now going into expirations, this will track all of the expirations within your company. And here we can see our website has automatically been added in, and we can see the SSL and domain. KB articles and assets can have expiration marks as well. It's not just websites, but those do have to be added manually. If you have any more questions on expirations and websites, please feel free to leave a comment down below.